lived in Memphis back in 1969, and I was playing on a session for Elvis on a big record called Kentucky Rain. He said, "More thunder on the piano, Millsap." And I found this song, and I got to wondering, would that same approach work on my record? And it did. Tennessee's latest state song, Smoky Mountain Rain. From LA back to Knoxville, I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. From a phone booth in the rain, I called to tell her I've had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears fill my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain Rain, keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain Rain. I waved the diesel down outside a cafe. He said he was going as far as Gatlinburg. I climbed up in the cab, all wet, cold and lonely. I wiped my eyes and told him about her. I've got to find her. Can you make these big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain Rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain Rain. I can't blame her for letting go. A woman needs someone warm to hold. Feel the rain running down my face. I find her no matter what it takes. Let's play. Smoky Mountain Rain keeps on falling. I keep on calling. What a truly wonderful audience you are.